There's so many things. There's monochrome, there's pastels, there's Aztec green, there's neons. Applique is going good. We don't just see it on the runway, we see it on the streets. And then I love the neutral, which is coming in a big way. It's on the runway. People are wearing it. We see it on the streets. They're combining it with floral, neutered top, floral pants, or neon skirts, or anything. I love the fabric which they have done in the collection. The fabric is very comfortable. It's easy to wear, and for the summer, that's the best fabric I can give a heads up. There's 5 stars. Since Ombre is doing a huge round, so I've chosen these lace pants which you can wear with a nice half-on top. It could be neon, it could be in neutrals, and even a floral top will go. The next outfit that I've chosen is this printed hot pants. For everyday wear, you can wear it with a nice top. Night out with your girlfriends, you can crop it, you can wear it with a halter neck top or a nice plain top, neutered ones because there's already printed in. There's so many prints going on the hot pants. You can wear it something neutral on it. The next outfit that I've chosen is this LBD dress. What I like about this dress is the 60 effect that it gives. I love this sequin woves that is going on in the dress, and the transparent thing which is will give you a. The next outfit that I've chosen is this vest. It has the applique in it. Applique is going very good this time, even on the runway as well as on streets. I love this effect. Why? Because you can see them on dressing, skirts, and even on tops. The next item that I've chosen is this belt. Why? Because it has a metal effect on it. You can wear them on a nice. You can wear them on a dress. You can wear them when you're wearing a skirt. We have seen too many studs in and around, so it's high time we bring back the metal in our wardrobe. These metal cuffs. Why? Because it has the metal as well as the leather effect in it. Accessories is very important to make it look stand out. Why? Because either you want to wear, either when you're wearing a very simple stuff, you want to accessorize it in a better way. That's how you